A favorite for both scent and flavor, the lemon is believed to have originated in Asia. Lemon trees appeared in southern Europe in the 1st century AD. We found excellent sources in Italy and Argentina. But the very best grows on the coast of sunny California. Lemon is known historically for its excellent deodorizing and cleansing properties. But perhaps because it's used in so many delicious foods, lemon is a favorite for its uplifting scent, which surrounds the hills and orchards in this special part of the world.
Here we are in Ventura County, California, where arguably the finest lemons in the world are grown here. And these lemons are going to produce some of the finest fresh fruit and California lemon oil. On a global level, you'll find that people are not really going to say anything can really compete with California lemon oil. It's for very specific reasons that relate to the climate here in Ventura County. The water supply is very unique in California in that the climate here is very arid. It's typically hot and sunny every single day with a very short rainy season throughout the course of the year. The vast majority of the water that we have that supplies to the water table that feeds these trees comes from Northern California via the California aqueduct. And it really turned both the San Joaquin Valley and Ventura County and these surrounding areas here in Southern California from a desert or a prairie into perhaps the most lush and fertile farmland in the world. The most chemically important component of lemon oil is what's called aldehyde. And the aldehyde values here in California are very unique. Toward the end of the season, we could have aldehyde levels up around 3.3 to 3.5. It's very valuable, it's highly coveted, which is essentially God's own lemon oil.
Each year, California processes 200,000 tons of lemons to produce 2 million pounds of lemon oil.
We'll produce several different types of lemon oil here in this plant, but our most desirable type of lemon oil that we'll produce is the cold-pressed lemon oil, which has a very desirable odor. My dad's been growing lemons for 35 years, and with the beauty that you see in this setting here, right, it's just incredible. I don't think you can go anywhere in the world and see groves that are this well maintained, this beautiful, and my father takes tremendous pride in that. The growers here in California are obsessed with producing the finest lemons in the world.
In our search for the best lemon essential oil, the unique climate and dedicated growers in California deliver the best product to meet our forever quality standard.